Student, how are you? Very good morning. Today's session we will know about photosynthesis. This is a part 2 and part 1 already discussed about in previous session. Here only discuss about part 2 photosynthesis. In previous session already discuss what do you mean by photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means combined. So in the photosynthesis, in which process by plants make their own food, combine the energy and traps and absorb energy by the leaves present teeny pigment present in leaves. This is called green pigment. This is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a main significant absorb and capture sunlight. This sunlight on energy used in photosynthesis process, because photosynthesis process is only found in plants. Photosynthesis process of only found in plants. Okay, so green pigments present in green leaves, this is called chlorophyll. In previous session already discussed and already uploaded on YouTube on processing. Okay, so here only all PDFs and all notes available on this video description box, and you can easily find out and contact with me on my email address. So very easy language use for this topic, and very important topic for grade 7 for based on CBSE pattern. So let's start and dive it this topic. So we can start the process of, here you can see on your screen the process of this one, the process of this one, the process which means the the process which plants make their own food in presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide in air, minerals, chlorophyll present in leaf is termed as photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their own food in presence of sunlight. Sunlight is a very necessary for this process, for photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide comes from atmosphere. This carbon dioxide get used by plants for photosynthesis process, and carbon dioxide already present in air, atmosphere, and water and minerals. The plant water and minerals also needed this process, this photosynthesis process. So this is a very important factor of photosynthesis. Okay, so this one, this is a very important factor of photosynthesis. Okay, this one is plants. Here only see on your screen this one. This is a plants, green plants. Here this is sunlight, and sunlight absorb, this one absorbed by the plants. You can see on your screen very easy way, and describe here only easy way. So this is a very different thing. Okay, you know that different thing. And this one, okay, sunlight absorbed by the plant and oxygen released during photosynthesis into atmosphere, and carbon dioxide absorbed from the atmospheric air, and water and mineral, this one already present in soil, and the plant's root already deeply inside, penetrating inside and absorb soil, water and mineral from soil and to reach leaves, and here when the leaves prepare and make a food, as a form of carbohydrate by using a carbon dioxide and water. Okay, the carbon dioxide as a use as a energy, and this is a very important factor. The carbon dioxide is stored in leaves. Okay, so the process by which make presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, minerals, chlorophyll leaves in term as photosynthesis. Okay, so here we will only discussion this one present in air. So which raw material use this process of photosynthesis? Firstly, no, keep in mind water and mineral absorbed by the root. Okay, and second, carbon dioxide comes from the atmospheric air, and oxygen release into during this process, oxygen release into air, into atmosphere, and carbohydrate forms. Okay, so this is the equation of photosynthesis. You can easily see in this on your screen. Carbon dioxide and water combine to presence of sunlight, combines to presence of sunlight. Okay, combines of presence of sunlight. Okay, this the carbon dioxide and water combined together, presence of sunlight which this type of sun energy absorbed by chlorophyll. This is a green pigment present in leaves. Okay, next video will know about chlorophyll. So presence in leaf, and this chlorophyll capable for traps and absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis process. So chlorophyll and green pigment, tiny pigment present in leaves, this is a very necessary and needed for photosynthesis process. Without chlorophyll and without green pigment and these raw material, photosynthesis process does not occur. Okay, and this is a carbohydrate C6H12O6 and oxygen release into atmosphere. So very clearly description here what is the process of photosynthesis, and this topic divided into three parts by me and uploaded on YouTube, and also notes on PDF form and words form already available here. You can easily find out. Okay, this topic very easy language used by me this to make this topic, and you can understand very well. Okay, so next slide we will come. No, we will come about. So yeah, only hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This is the third part of photosynthesis, and two part already discussed in a previous session. Here in previous session already know about photosynthesis and how can define photosynthesis and which material used in photosynthesis process, and what materials needed for photosynthesis process. Okay, and here discuss about plants take up carbon dioxide from the atmospheric through tiny pores known as stomata present on the surface of the leaf and surrounded by the guard cell. Okay, so this is Anita. Let's start third part of photosynthesis. This topic taken from class 7th CBSE pattern, a very important topic. Okay, so first line here. Plants take up carbon dioxide atmospheric through tiny pores known as stomata, and some question arise plants absorb carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide gas needed for photosynthesis. But how can atmospheric carbon dioxide absorbed by the, how can define atmospheric carbon dioxide absorbed by the leaves? Okay, how can, which cell included this work, okay, during photosynthesis? This is a very important factor and significant for absorb carbon dioxide. How can define and how can prove? Okay, so plants take up carbon dioxide from the atmospheric through tiny pores known as stomata. Stomata is a very tiny pores. The diagram is come, we will know about, already draw here. You can easily see this this diagram. This is, okay, this is a you can see on your screen, this is a stomatal, this is a leaf, this one leaf, and this is a structure of leaf, microscopic structure of dissection of leaf. This is a tiny pores. So this is called chlorophyll, and here this is tiny pores as a stomata present the surface of the leaves and surrounded by the guard cell. This one is a guard cell, you know that, this one, okay, this one is a guard cell. So this is a very important and clearly description. So here this one, okay, this guard cell. So stomatal pores known as stomata present in the surface of leaf surrounded by the guard cell. The stomata present on the leaf surface and surrounded by the guard cell. The process of photosynthesis release oxygen in the atmosphere during synthesis of food. Okay, this line very important, you can see on your screen. The process of photosynthesis, the oxygen release in the atmosphere during the synthesis of food. Plants absorb the water and mineral from the soil with the help of deep penetrate root inside the soil and transport them to leaves of the plants where synthesis food take place. Okay, plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. You know that plants absorb water and minerals from the soil with the help of deep penetrated root inside the soil. The plants absorb the water and minerals with the help of roots already found inside the soil, deep inside the soil, and transport them to the leaf. These water and minerals transport by the root to the leaves of the plants where the synthesis of food take place. The food is made by leaf. The process of photosynthesis occur in leaf surface. Okay, and third point we will take here, the green pigment present in leaves known as chlorophyll. This one you can easily see in this diagram, tiny pores on your present in leaves. This is called chlorophyll. The leaves plants to capture the sunlight, the act as a source of energy to carry out the process. Okay, so tiny pores, this is called chlorophyll. This is a green pigment, this is called chlorophyll. This is a act as a absorb sunlight, and this sunlight act as a energy during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and fourth point we will take here, after the chlorophyll holding the cell lives in the presence of sunlight. Okay, carbon dioxide and water to produce carbohydrates in the leaves and store in the plant in the form of energy. Okay, after this chlorophyll holding the cells of leaves. Chlorophyll, main significance of chlorophyll, absorb and trap and capture the sunlight, and this sunlight and release energy, and this energy used in process of photosynthesis, and the carbon dioxide and water produce the carbohydrate. carbon dioxide and water to produce carbohydrate in the leaves. Is stored as plants in the form of energy. Okay, carbon dioxide and water to produce, you know that carbon dioxide and water produce carbohydrate in the leaves. Water and carbon dioxide produce carbon dioxide in the leaves and is stored as a food, or we can say stored as energy in the form of carbohydrate. This is a food made by leaves. So plants in the form of energy. So this is a very clearfully description here, and this diagram show here. Okay, and so third part here discuss about photosynthesis, only diagram of photosynthesis. Third part show here. Okay, this one. Third part show here only diagram of photosynthesis. Okay, this is a chlorophyll and this is a stomatal pore. This one, this is a stomatal pore. This one, this is a stomatal pore here. This is a guard cell. This one, this is a guard cell, and this is a stomatal opening. Okay, then the process of photosynthesis, releasing oxygen in atmosphere during the synthesis of food. After this, the chlorophyll holding the cell of leaves in presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and carbohydrate in the leaves, and is stored in the plants in the form of energy. So this is a diagram of photosynthesis, stomatal opening and guard cell. This is a dissection of leaves and tiny pores present in leaf surface. You can see on your screen, this is a chlorophyll, and this one is guard cell. Okay, this one is guard cell. This one, the arrow show here, this one is guard cell. This one, okay, guard cell, and this is a stomatal opening. This is a stomatal opening. This one guard cell. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button for upcoming notification for next series. So goodbye, take care, thank you.